Good day, everybody. We're at the Wat Rong Khun, better known as the White Temple. There's some really good history to tell you about this. In 2014, there was a major earthquake here in Chiang Rai, and it severely damaged or seriously damaged the temple and all the buildings around here. So it was determined at the time they were going to have to close indefinitely. Which would have been a shame. So they brought a group of engineers in to inspect it, and they determined that it was structurally still sound, no problem structurally, but external damage was pretty severe. So I believe they said it took 2 years to repair everything.
You want me to help you to
นะครับนักท่องเที่ยวท่านใดไปซื้อใบโพทิพย์และเอาไปเรียกว่า
So
ถ้าเป็นของท่านใดนั้นขอเชิญให้ท่านไปติดต่อขอรับคืนได้เลยกับเจ้าหน้าที่ที่ซุ้มประตูทางเข้าโบสถ์นักท่องเที่ยวท่านใดนะครับ
Yeah, I
ไป
felt
ซื้อ
that.
ใบโพทิพย์และไปเรียกว่า
Skulls, and look at all the hands that are reaching up out of the ground.
ก็ขอเชิญให้ไปติดต่อขอรับคืนได้เลยที่ซุ้มประตูทางเข้าโบสถ์นะครับ
The skulls. So anyhow, continuing on about the story, it's a concrete built structure, and it's plastered, or not plastered, it's like a stucco finish, and that's, you can see all the glass work that's done on everything. Everybody is stopping here, and they're telling, let's go on by that. They're saying to keep moving. Excuse us. They're telling everybody no stopping, keep moving, trying to keep the progress here, and everybody keeps stopping. There's a lot of people here, a lot of people trying to get through. Isn't it beautiful? I don't mean to sound negative, but it's very hot here. It's like 2 p.m. We've been doing a lot of driving. So, we gotta take off our shoes. Oh, hat too. Hat too. No photos, video recordings. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna. Yeah, we walked around the side. We can't film inside, so there's no reason to go in. I showed you the best I could from the doorway. Now, continuing on the story, the roof on this appears to be porcelain, but in reality it is all whitewashed, and it's got broken glass in it to give it that appearance. Look how shiny though with all the glass and the glistening.
It's maple sweet.
I don't think I mentioned that it was 100 baht each to get in. It says the exit's the other way, but I wanted to video this. I take that back. It was not 100 baht each. Jai was free, being a Thai citizen. All foreigners, residents or not, pay 100 baht, which is only $3. It's not like it's a big deal. I'm glad they were able to save it. Wheelchair ramp here. Water feature over there. People filming everywhere. It's hard to get around. Right. Okay, this one here you cannot enter into it, but we can film it from out here. It says no entry. Look at the shine and glistening with the sun reflections. The sun makes your video very dark, babe. We can't cross the bridge, that's a shame. I would like to know what kind of damage. Yeah, you can't tell. You can't tell there was ever any kind of damage. Look how huge the place is. It just spreads and spreads. What a shame if they would have had to close this down. It was completed. Construction was completed in 1997. And I actually always in the past when I had seen this, I thought it was older than that. You see the look of the roof. It does look like porcelain. It really does. And that's just whitewashed with glass sprinkles. The earthquake that caused the damage here in 2014 was a 6.3 magnitude. So it's understandable why they assumed there was more damage than there was, but the construction was so sound, built out of concrete, that structurally it wasn't affected. It was only exterior damage. They just redo the stucco or plaster, whatever the case is, and put the little glass beads back in. I had to take the phone off of the gimbal. It's getting so hot, the gimbal was acting up, and the phone's getting hot too. I've switched phones. But look at the beauty of this place. I moved back a little farther away from it so you could get a better view, but it's massive. It's really big. There's such a crowd here. It's hard to fathom getting 100 baht per person, and there's hundreds of people here. Check out the art piece they have outside. They have two of them here. It's a lot of silver leaf. And it looks like there's names and stuff like possible donations on each one of these. Oh, it is. You can buy it 30 baht and you'll get your own leaf put up here. This is the gong tower here. Ganesha Worship Hall. Open from 8 to 5. Closed for lunch. That's this building right here. Jai found some shade with a swing. Getting to sit down. And a massive tree behind her. Look at that thing. This is a water feature and there's caves in here. I don't know, it looks like there is a 50 baht ticket entry fee. You can't film in there either, so no reason to go. The toad. You give a coin, I guess maybe it'll give you some luck. The Cave of Art. Oh, there's a face sculpture here. Oh yeah, that's another frog right over there. Look up on the wall. Look up on the wall. There's different things already up there too. I assume there's a lot more inside, but you can't film them. I see a face with something sitting on top of it. And over here by the entrance is a monkey's face. It's probably the coolest place in Chiang Rai right now. Feels pretty good right here. You pick out all kinds of things as you're looking around that are in this wall. Cave of Art. Tickets are 50 baht. And same with all of these temples. As they get donations, they have to continue building. So it's massive already. Another view from a different angle. Okay, this shows you all the different placements of all the buildings here. Okay, this is very informational. You can pause this piece and read it for yourself so you'll know more. I told only what little bit of information I knew from reading up on Google. We have a few gold buildings with their artwork scattered amongst all these white ones. It would be really great if I'd have been able to fly the drone here, but it's just way too hot to do that. We hope you enjoyed the content, us driving many hours to get here to share it with you. It's such a beautiful spot. If you like our content, please reach down, mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jaiva. Time to get going. We are out.